Hey guys, we are back. It is day 3 of my project. We're gonna start in the bedroom today. And just a little background, we are doing black Grassello, or I like to call Grassello. It's gonna look like marble. We're gonna be adding a little veins. And then on this wall back here, we will be doing the croc, which is one of my all-time favorite things to do. Living room, we will be doing the Grassello on the fireplace wall as well. And I actually think we're gonna add in painting the fireplace. So I'll definitely do some coverage on that as well. But yeah, we are in here getting started today. Got Mr. Daryl and Miss Linda. Okay, come in closer. Get my hand. Go. Okay, now. You got me? Mm-hmm. Keep taking. Okay, is that good? Hey everybody, welcome back in. So let me show you what we've done. We've started the croc wall. Now I do have online classes, so if you guys want to learn how to do this, please check my bio for the online class link. We also did the third layer of the Grassello wall, and it's starting to dry. Turned out really pretty, so it's still a little wet. It's kind of dry over there, but it's getting there. So what I like to do is I'm gonna do a third coat of this Venetian plaster. So Grassello, it's all in the Venetian plaster family. So I'm gonna do a third. Hey, sorry I got cut off. But I do wanna show you the croc wall that we have started. We're doing the first pass of paneling today. It's gonna actually be a pearl metallic croc wall, and it is going to be gorgeous. This is actually a very popular technique in my portfolio, and that's also why I teach it in class as well. But everything's coming right along. We did get the next coat up of the Venetian plaster there as well. And we've got the rest of the team working on the next, the last fireplace. So yeah, it's coming right along. Hey, so end of day 3. Everything went really well today. So let me show you guys.